Good morning, Toucans. It's Mrs. Shoemaker. We're going to have another class today from my house. We're going to do science today. So first thing we need to do is sing our welcome to school song, okay? So let's sit down. Are you sitting down? Good. Let's get comfy. Hands up high. Hands down low. Hide them. Where'd they go? Out comes one. Out comes two. Let's clap at an oval. Start at the top. Down, around. Give a little clap. Other way. Put them in your lap. Okay, good job. I think my dog Cora might say hi. I'm not sure. But hi, Cora. But let's go ahead and sing. Are we ready? Okay, we're going to do our skin. Hi, Cora. Come on. Up. This is Cora. Hi. Can you say hi? No. Kisses time. All right, Cora, you go have a good day. See you later. Bye. Okay, let's do our rise and shine. Are we ready? Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Oh, a little louder. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. My favorite part, a little softer. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Great job. Did you see Cora came back to help? Do you have a pet at your house? Remember, I have a dog named Cora, and we have a fish and a bearded dragon and a hamster at my house. What do you have at your house? We have lots of time to play with our animal friends now, don't we? Okay, well next we're going to do the weather. So wherever you're sitting, look out the window. And I'm making this video Monday morning. So when you look out the window, your weather might be a little different, and that's okay. I'm going to look out the window now. I see lots of white. So that would mean what's in the sky? Clouds. You're right. And I have to tell you something kind of exciting. So we know clouds are made of teeny tiny drops of water. Well, the clouds here are so full and so heavy, something's coming down. What would that be? Snow? No, it's not cold. Would it be sun coming down? It's rain. You're right. It's raining at my house. Is it raining at your house? We'll have to wait and see. How exciting. Okay. So remember, our special color this month is black. So let's get an olive out of the olive tree. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Way up high in the olive tree, I see an olive looking at me. So I shake that tree as hard as I can. Down comes the olive. Pick it up, take a little bite. It's good. Remember, don't hit the seed with your tooth because that could hurt. Okay. I thought, I don't have my flannel board here, but we can still do the nursery rhyme. Let's do Jack and Jill. Are you ready? Okay. Jack and Jill went up the hill, you're right, to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Thank you so much for helping me say that. I really appreciate that. Well, today's Monday, so we're going to do science. Are you ready? We're going to do science from my house. So Mrs. Shoemaker's going to put her glasses on so I can see well. Now remember, the thing about science is even though we're small, we can still do science. So I just have some glasses. They're actually plastic cups here. And they're filled with, what do you think? Water. What color's water? What color? It's colorless. Can you say that? colorless. It means there's no color. You can see right through it. Okay, so I thought it would be fun. Back in the fall, so in October, we learned what happens when you mix two colors together. Don't go by the color in here because it's really concentrated, so that means it's really dark, but we're going to go by what the lids are. So what color is this lid? You're right, it's yellow. What color is this lid? You see it? Red. Let's think about this. This is your hypothesis. This is thinking about an answer. What color do you think I'm going to make when I mix yellow and red? So when we mix yellow plus red equals, what do you think? Tell me a color. Good job. Let's see if you're right. And it's okay if you're wrong. It's fun just to try, okay? So we're going to put in 2 drops of yellow. Can you help me? Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Is the water turning colors? Yeah, I'm going to swirl it just a little bit. What color did it turn? Yellow. You're right. What color am I adding now? Red. Here we go. You ready? Should we do 2 drops, do you think? I think so too. Help me count. 1, 2. All right, I'm going to do the swirl. Are you ready? Here we go. What color did we make? There we go. Orange. Remember, yellow plus red make orange. Now, what color is this water? Colorless. Now, we made another color recently. If we mix red and blue together, what do we get? Do you remember? What do you think? Red plus blue equals? Let's find out. So we'll do 2 drops of, what color is this again? Red. Here we go. 1, 2, and now I'm gonna swirl. So there's our red. Kind of looks a little orangey, but what color is this one? Blue. I'm just going to put in 1 drop of this. Let's see what happens. 1. Oh, can you see it going down? You see the blue color? I'm going to swirl it. What color did it make? It might be hard to tell for you guys, but it's purple. So red and blue make purple. I know that's some of your all's favorite colors. What is your favorite color? Mine's blue. And remember, it's okay for many of us to like the same color. That's exciting. Okay, so we're gonna make black. How do you think we can make black? Well, what happens if we mix orange and purple together? What do you think might happen? Do you think it's going to make a light color like yellow or a darker color like brown or black? What do you think might happen? Okay, that's a good guess. Let's find out. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Did we make a light color like yellow? No, but it's definitely darker than regular water, right? Hey, what color is this? Green, you're right. I'm going to add some drops of green. There's 2 drops, and now I'm going to swirl. What color is it? It's really dark, isn't it? So I want to tell you, look at all these colors that we mixed together. Okay, let's go through them. What color is this? Red. This is green, yellow, and tell me the last color. Blue, you're right. And then remember when we mixed these 2 together, we made orange. So orange is in here also. And when we mixed these 2 together, we made purple. Purple's in here also. Did you know black, the color black has all the other colors in it. Like if you mix all your colors of Play-Doh together, you make black. Now, that can happen, but you know what the problem is? Once you do that, you can't unmix them. So then you're just going to have black. And sometimes I think it's more fun to have lots of different colors to play with. So please don't mix your Play-Doh at home, okay? But that's what would happen. So here is black. How do we take the colors out of the black? How do we get blue out? How do we get red out? Can we do that? What do you think? I have to tell you. So first of all, we made colors and we made black today, which is great. Now I want to teach you about something called chromatography. Can you say that? Chromatography. You know what it is? It's separating things out. So let's think, if we were at school now and remember it's raining and it's playground time, would we go outside when it's raining? Where would we go? Where would we move the toucan to on our class clock? The rainy day room, you're right. And in the rainy day room, there's tents sometimes, and there's also little tunnels to crawl through. I have a question. If you and Mrs. Shoemaker or you and Miss Liz were going to crawl through the tunnel, who would get through it faster? Who would get through a small tunnel faster? Would you or Miss Liz? You, right? Why? Because you're smaller, right? So you're smaller, so you would crawl faster through a small tunnel. Chromatography is the same thing. Small things go faster than big things. So this is just a piece of paper towel from my kitchen that I cut. Did you know inside it we can't see, but there's teeny little tunnels. Do you see any tunnels? Nope, they're too small. But if it's a small tunnel and something small is going through it, it's going to go further up. If you were going through the tunnel, you would go so far. But I'm bigger, so if I go through the tunnel, I wouldn't get so far. I'm going to get stuck. That's the same thing with chromatography. Based on how big or little is how far something can travel. So, what's this? It's a magic marker, right? What color is it? Remember, the lid's always helpful to tell you what color it is. What color is it? Black. So that means this color is made up of all of these colors. So you know what I did? I took my paper towel and I colored on it with a circle. Actually, that's not true. I made a different shape. I made what's our special shape? Oval, you're right. Now I did this last night and I let it dry. So when I touch it, nothing comes off on my hands. So for chromatography, we don't want to use black because we have the black here. What we do want to use is clear water. Clear water or water is going to help the colors in this black dot move. And remember, some of the colors are going to be smaller, so they're going to travel further. Do you want to see what's going to happen? So what I don't want to do is I don't want to put this in my water. Let me show you what happens. If I stick it in my water, the color's just going to wash off. Watch. The color just kind of makes a mess, doesn't it? So let me show you instead what I'm going to do. Move this one out of the way. I have more clear water. I'm just going to touch the edge just down here to the water, and the water is going to, we call it wicking up. It's going to go up, and it wants to make everything wet. And when it makes the black dot wet, the colors are going to separate like these, and we're going to see things go up. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to put it in, and I'm just going to touch the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look what's happening. You can see what's wet because it's not bright white anymore. And you can see it starting to move. Is it moving up or down? It's moving up. Let me come a little closer to you, okay? This takes a little bit. Oh, look at this. You can see what color is this over here on the side? It's kind of blue, isn't it? There was blue in the black. How cool is that? Do you still see it move? Is it moving fast or slow? Slow, isn't it? So look, this colors down here kind of got stuck. They're not moving anymore. I'm going to stick it in the water just a little bit more. Just remember, just the bottom. Just the bottom. Let's see if it's going to drink up a little bit more. Keep moving up. Still moving slowly. Did you expect those colors to come out? Remember, sometimes we learn new things every time we try something. So I'm going to move to the side. I want to show you one I made yesterday, and I let it travel up. And let's see what happens to the colors, okay? This is what I made yesterday. It started out with a black oval down here. Look at the colors. There's definitely still some dark, right? Let me see, is this side any better? Maybe. It's kind of like a reddish, pinkish color down here, and it's definitely blue up here. Here's my question for you. We said smaller travels further up. So which color was the smallest here? What do you think? Which color went the furthest up on the white? The blue, you're right. Which color was biggest so it didn't travel very far, it got stuck? Down here, this purpley reddy color. So you know what that makes me think of? If I'm thinking of the rainy day room in a tunnel, Miss Liz and Mrs. Shoemaker down here stuck. And you guys are the blue way up here. You went so far. So chromatography is how we separate things out by size. We just did science. So black is made up of different colors. It's kind of neat. This Crayola marker, is this Crayola? Yeah, this Crayola marker has a lot of blue in it, doesn't it? I wonder if we tried different types of markers, if we'd get other colors. Kind of fun, but you know what? When you look at it, sure looks like black, doesn't it? It's kind of neat that black is made up of all of these colors. Well, thank you for doing science with me today. That was really fun, and I really appreciate it. I thought we could end with one of the things you guys really like. Let's count our fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap. Now, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap. How many's now? 1, 2, 3. Got your fingers ready? 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap. How many now? 1, 2. 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap. How many? 1. 1 little monkey sitting in a tree, Teasing Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator's quiet as can be, and snap! That was wonderful. Hey, let's practice our breathing, okay? Ready? Breathe in and out. Do it again. Great job, Toucans. I've had so much fun with you. I think it's time to sing our goodbye song. Are you ready? All right, let's wiggle. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning, I love you late at night. I love you in the evening when the moon is shining bright. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Miss Liz and I miss you so much, but we're really excited that we get to come to school at your house. Well, through the TV or the laptop. Are some of you watching the TV? Are some of you on your mom and dad's computer? That's great. I'm on my phone, and then I'm going to send it on my computer. Mrs. Shoemaker's learning lots of new things, which is kind of exciting. So today was Monday, and we did science. I'm going to try to send a video out every day we would have met for school. So the next one's not going to come tomorrow, but it's going to come on Wednesday. And I think we're going to read quite a few books on Wednesday. Maybe we'll do a calendar then as well. I think we're going to have fun, but right now, I'm going to need to go, and I want you to have a great day. Bye, Toucans. Miss Liz and Mrs. Shoemaker love you. Bye-bye.